Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete a repost on TikTok. TikTok allows you to repost videos to share content with your followers. If you want to remove a repost, the process is simple and quick. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Go to your profile. Tap the two arrows icon to view your reposted videos. This will show a list of all the reposts you have shared. Select the video you want to remove. You will see a label that says you reposted. Tap on the you reposted text. Tap on Reposted. Then select Remove Repost. Once removed, the video will no longer appear as reposted on your profile. Your followers will also no longer see the video in their feed as coming from you. You've learned how to view your reposted TikTok videos and remove any repost you no longer want shared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Stack tutorial videos.